and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing a review on some products that I've technically already reviewed for you guys, but you didn't get to see it because I'm not even going to get into it. That footage was not good. But for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some products that I grabbed from the Morphe store when I went down to Miami. It is going to be exclusively just from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics line. So I'm really excited to show these products to you guys. I really did like these products the first time that I used them, so it sucks that I have to redo this whole thing even though I literally did it the first time. Anyhow, these products are going to be in this video. It's going to create a whole look. I hope you guys definitely enjoy. If you do enjoy, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you haven't already, I don't know what you're doing. Like, get it together. Come on. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you one of the products that I will be using in the tutorial of today. It's going to be the Blood Sugar palette from the Jeffree Star collection. It is beautiful. It has these locks right here that kind of remind me of like when you were younger, that you had like your little diary and whatnot. And then once you open it up, the colors look like this. They're super beautiful, super pigmented. They swatch beautifully. Yeah, I'm going to be using some of the colors in this palette for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed that part. I also grabbed the Magic Star Concealer. So the concealer is actually one of my favorite products so far. Well, no, I lied. The next one is. So this one is the Magic Star Concealer, and I really do love the packaging. Everything about it is just beautiful, down to like the product inside. It's amazing. And then as you can see, the top of it is, well, the applicator is a little bit different than your regular concealer. So that is one thing I definitely enjoyed about this. Next, we have the Skin Frost highlighter. Mine is in the shade Sarcophagus. I'm really excited because this is probably one of my favorites now, and I literally only used it once. So when I apply it, you guys are literally gonna know why. Now, the mirror itself is amazing. I feel like it's, I don't know, I feel like I can see my freaking soul. I had a little bugger. Y'all really need to let me know because I can't be coming on camera looking like I'm a hot mess. Okay. There we go. So this is the actual highlighter. It has the star emblem and it is this beautiful gold. When I tell you I love this product, I feel like I'm just gonna throw it in my purse now because of the mirror itself, literally. And then I grabbed, of course, these lashes by Morphe. Since I was already in the Morphe store, I've already applicated them on myself, so I know how they are, and I really do like them as well. So yeah, for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. I already went ahead and did my eyebrows, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the concealer to my lids, and we're just gonna get this tutorial started. Alright. Now, one thing I will tell you guys about this product, it is full coverage, as you can see. Now, the one thing I really do like about it is it does not crease, and that is a good sign because that's a problem that I always have with concealers, is the creasing on them is ridiculous. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my favorite setting powder. It's the ColourPop in the shade Banana No Filter setting powder, and I really do like it. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of product on my eyes just to kind of set that concealer. Because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking some of that color and just applying it on there very soon. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the palette. I'm not really sure what look I'm kind of going for. I think I'm going to go in with the color Cavity, which is this kind of like a periwinkle pink, and I'm not even sure if that's even what color it's kind of. Now, I did one swatch, not one swatch, but I kind of just dipped my brush into it, and that's all the product that's on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the brush and just pat it on my lid. I mean, maybe patting it up above my crease because that's gonna be where the transition color is gonna be. And just like this. All right, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing I did on this eye to this eye. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch brushes. I'm gonna go in with the shade Root Canal, which is this purple shade right here. And I'm gonna be going ahead and taking kind of like a smaller brush. And see, what I'm gonna do is I'm kind of gonna go ahead and cut up my crease just a tad bit. We're gonna make sure that it's super cut. And I don't know what I'm trying to do with this mirror. It's like really agitating. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I want you guys to just... All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Prink, which is here in the corner. It's a like really pretty cherry red shade. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take that shade and I'm gonna just dab on the corners of my eye and kind of just move that product around. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that concealer and just start applying it to the back of my hand. Because what I'm going to be going ahead and doing is we're going to be cutting that crease, not a full crease. We're just going to go halfway. I'm going to show you guys what I mean by that. I'm going to go ahead and take my Real Techniques detailer brush. It's a little brush like this and it's kind of pointed. And we're just going to go ahead and cut the hell out of that crease. All right, now I'm gonna actually go ahead and go in the palette. I'm gonna take this color right here called Sweetener. It's kind of like this light pink shade. It's a shimmer shade. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pat it on my inner corner and work my way inside with different colors. And next I'm going to go ahead and take this color right here. It's called Blood Sugar, just like the palette. And it's kind of like this nice red frosted shade. And we're going to go ahead and apply it to the middle part of that crease. And lastly, I'm going to go in with this gold shade here, Donor. And we're going to just attach it to that end of that shade. And we're going to put it right here. Alright, so now I'm going to just go ahead and clean up under my eyes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and catch you back when I have my full face ready to be played with. And then now I'm going to go in with that Jeffree Star Cosmetics concealer. And honestly, with this concealer, it is you don't have to put a lot in order to get a lot of coverage kind of concealer, which is a really good thing, because that's one of the things I hate about some concealers that you have, or that I have at least. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and take the concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and take that ColourPop setting powder, and I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip my brush into the sarcophagus. Little, oh my god, look at that. Ready? I freaking love this. All Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and just take my Morphe lashes and I'm going to be applying them to my eyes now. So when you guys see me back, I will have them popped on. I'm going to go in with the highlighter from the Jeffree Star Sarcophagus highlighter. And I'm going to take my Smashbox like pointed little brush. And I'm going to go ahead and add some of the product in between my... I'm going to go ahead and place it in my inner corner. We're going to add some shimmer to that inner corner area. Alright, so that's actually ends up concluding this look. Alright, this concludes this look. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed. If you did enjoy, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up down. And thank you so much for watching. To my subscribers, thank you so much for being a part of my little familia that I'm creating. And of course, to all the newcomers, thank you so much for joining me in this ride. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.